How to turn off voice text on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off voice text on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you can launch any messaging application, like let's open the Notes or Keep Notes application. Now you can see your keyboard. So on your keyboard, you can simply see the voice note like icon at bottom right corner of this keyboard. So you can simply speak now using this. So in order to turn this feature off on your keyboard, you can simply select the four square like icon at top left of this keyboard and then go and access your gear like icon of this keyboard by tapping on it. So the settings page appears of the keyboard. Now scroll down, select voice typing and toggle the button off. When you get back and see that your keyboard has not feature of the voice text now. So it is the perfect way to turn off voice text on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.